Hello friends, today, join me as we draw George Pig playing with bubbles. Let's begin by drawing the shape of George Pig's face. Next, his nose and ears. His eyes, cheek and lip. George Pig loves to blow bubbles and watch them float in the air. Do you like blowing bubbles too? I'm drawing the shape of George Pig's body. Look, George Pig have opened his eyes. Next, I'm drawing his hand holding a bottle of bubbles. George giggles as he chases the bubbles around the yard. George's bubbles are big and colorful. How many bubbles can you count? Then, his other hand holding the bubble wand. Let's draw his tail. And his legs and shoes. George loves to make funny faces in the bubbles. Good job! Let's add color to George Pig. Cool! George Pig is excited to play. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.